Good evening. Today's Friday, the 3rd of September, 2021, and there were 17 dividend payments today. It's catching up for Monday and Tuesday with 0 payments. 17 in total. 2 returns of capital and quite a lot of changes, but a lot of them actually have gone down by a couple of cents each. 1 was raised, 2 were raised. But I think the fact that I'm now logging them after withholding tax has been taken out means that a lot of them will appear to be dropping for quite a while, but a lot of them stayed the same. It wasn't a bad day at all. Nice way to end the week. First dividend payer today was Alstom. Ticker symbol is ALO. And it's a French transportation dividend stock. It's in the railroad industry. It's trading for about €34 per share. Has a dividend yield of 0.68%. And it was the first dividend payment I received from them. It was an ordinary one. It was for 18 cents in euro per share. And it pays a dividend once a year. Number 2 was Wells Fargo and Company. Ticker symbol is WFC. So it's trading for about $44 per share. And it's a US regional bank stock. Today was an ordinary dividend. Pays a dividend every quarter. And it was 17 cents in dollars per share, which is actually up 8 cents since the last one I received. So it currently has a dividend yield of 1.68%. Next is Pinnacle West Capital. Ticker symbol is PNW. It's another US stock. It's trading for about $77 per share. And it's in the electric utilities industry. Dividend yield is 4.27%. Pays a quarterly dividend. And today was the first one I've received from them. It was an ordinary dividend of 70 cents per share. Next we have PennantPark Floating Rate Capital. Ticker symbol is PFLT. So trading for close to $13 per share. And it's in the miscellaneous financial services industry. It's a business development company. Has a dividend yield of a pretty high 8.59%. Pays a dividend every quarter. Pays a dividend every month. And the dividend I received today was for 8 cents per share, which was the same as the last one they sent me. Next we have Kroger Company. Ticker symbol is KR. So it's trading for about $46.50 per share. And it's in the retail or grocery industry. It's a food retailing company based in the US. Has a dividend yield of 1.85%. Today was the first dividend I received. They pay a quarterly dividend, and this one was for an ordinary dividend of 17 cents per share. Next we have KLA Corporation. Ticker symbol is KLAC. So it's trading for about $342 per share. And it's in the tech sector, in the semiconductors industry. It's a supplier of process control and yield management solutions and services for the semiconductor and related electronics industries. Has a dividend yield of 1.22%. Pays a quarterly dividend. This was the first one I received from them. The last one I received was for 76 cents. And this one was for 89 cents per share, which is quite a nice boost. 13-cent raise. Hopefully that's permanent. Next is Invesco Limited. Ticker symbol is IVZ. So this is a Belgian stock, but it trades in dollars. It's trading for about $25 per share at the moment. So yeah, it's based in the United States, in Atlanta, but BM is Belgium. Anyway, dividend yield of 2.71%. This was a return of capital for 17 cents per share, which was the same as the last return of capital that I got from them. And it pays a dividend every quarter, usually. I'll actually check when they, or how much they usually pay for a dividend. Invesco. So they usually pay 15 cents per share per quarter as an ordinary dividend. Next is Intel. Ticker symbol is INTC. So it's a US stock. It's in the tech sector, in the semiconductors industry. It's trading for about $53.50 per share at the moment. Dividend yield is 2.67%. And it pays a quarterly dividend. This one was for 29 cents per share, and that's down 1 cent from the last one I received. Next we have WW Granger. Ticker symbol is GWW. It's trading for about $430 per share. And it's a US consumer cyclical stock in the appliance and tool industry. Has a dividend yield of 1.49%. This one was an ordinary dividend, which is paid every quarter. And it was for $1.37 per share, which is down 1 cent from the last one I received. Next we have First Energy Corp. Ticker symbol is FE. Trading for about $39.50 per share. And it's a US electric utility stock. Has a dividend yield of 4.09%. Pays a quarterly dividend, and this one was for 33 cents per share, which was the same as the last one I received. Next is Enbridge Incorporated. Ticker symbol is ENB. Trading for about $40 per share. And it's a US stock, but the company's based in Canada. It's in the natural gas utilities industry. Has a dividend yield of 6.71%. Usually pays a quarterly dividend, but this was a return of capital of 56 cents per share, which is down 3 cents from the last return of capital I received. And their ordinary dividend is, where are we, Enbridge. Yeah, they usually pay the same as a dividend, 56 cents per share. Next we have Dynex Capital. Ticker symbol is DX. That's trading for close to $18 per share at the moment. And it's a US monthly paying real estate investment trust. Paid an ordinary dividend of 11 cents per share per month, which was the same as the last one. Next we have ConocoPhillips. Ticker symbol is COP. It's trading for about $56 per share. So it's a US oil and gas integrated stock in the energy sector. Dividend yield is 3.14%. Pays a quarterly dividend. And this was an ordinary dividend of 36 cents per share, which is down 1 cent from the last one I received. Next we have American Water Works. Ticker symbol is AWK. So it's trading for about $185 per share. And it's an American utilities company in the water utilities industry. Dividend yield is 1.31%. This was an ordinary dividend of 51 cents per share, which is the same as the last one I received, and they pay their dividend every quarter. Now, third from the end, we have AFLAC Incorporated. Ticker symbol is AFL. So it's trading for close to $56 per share at the moment. And it's a US insurance company in the financial sector. Has a dividend yield of 2.33%. Paid an ordinary dividend of 28 cents per share, which is paid every quarter, and it's the same as the last dividend I received from them. Next we have Oxford Square Capital. Ticker symbol is OXSQ. So it's trading for $4.41 per share. And it's a closed-end, non-diversified management investment company. Pays a dividend every month. This one was for 2 cents per share, which is down 1 cent from the last one I received. And the last one, Apollo Global Management Incorporated. Ticker symbol is APO. Trading for about $62 per share. And it's a US investment services company. Has a dividend yield of 3.6%. Pays a quarterly dividend. And this was an ordinary dividend of 42 cents per share, which is the same as the last one I received. So that's it for the dividend payments. So I have to find somewhere to put these dividends now. BT Group for the win. 13.8% down, and I've only €2 in it. That'll do. So BT Group, ticker symbol is BT. It's trading for about £1.62 per share. So it's a UK tech company in the software and programming industry. It's a communication services provider. The dividend yield is not given, but I should have some detail on it. BT Group pays a semi-annual dividend, but I haven't received one yet. And that's it for today. Hopefully you find some use in this.